How to use 3D avatars in Microsoft Teams. Here are the steps on how to use 3D avatars in Microsoft Teams. 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Note, you need to get the avatar app pre-installed within Teams. 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select Settings. 4. In the Settings dialog box, select Appearance. 5. Under Avatar, select Create New Avatar. 6. In the Create Avatar dialog box, do the following: select a base avatar. Customize your avatar's appearance. Click on the Create button. Your new avatar will be created. You can then use your avatar in meetings, chats, and other Teams experiences. Here are some additional tips for using 3D avatars in Microsoft Teams. You can customize your avatar's appearance by changing their hair, skin color, eye color, and more. You can use your avatar in meetings, chats, and other Teams experiences. Your avatar will animate when you use Teams emoji reactions. Microsoft is mainly planning to use these avatars in its Microsoft Mesh integration in Teams for 3D meetings. I hope this helps.